All right, hello class. I hope you're writing well your first year examination, and today we'll start with the practical. So you may not understand some of the SQL query right now because we need to learn Unit 4 first in order to know each and every one of the queries. All right. So, but since we have lots and lots of practical, I need to start it anyway. Okay. So the first one, I haven't provided you the soft copy of your practical. So tonight I'll be trying to provide you with the soft copy as well. All right. So we'll start with the first query. We are asked. The first question is list all orders for more than rupees 1,000. List of all orders for more than 1,000. All right. So which table does it refers? When you see the equation, you have to find out what are the important things which we are supposed to execute using the SQL query. So here we are supposed to refer the order table, right? And we are supposed to see the amount. Order and amount is supposed to be considered. And what does it say? We have to list all the details of orders table whose amount is more than 1,000. All right. So for that, we are going to write a query. Select star means all. All right. Sorry. Select star from order. Let me first display this one. All right. We'll see what are the output. So from here, we have onam, amount, under amount. Which one is more than which one? Which ones are more than 1,000? This one, this one, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So these 7 fields is what we are going to be in need of. So for that, we are going to write a query. Select star from orders. It do not specify which column to display, right? It says list of all orders. So because of which we are using asterisk star. This will indicate all. Okay. From orders where amount is greater than 1,000. All right. Here we have amount, right? So we are going to find out those details in order table whose amount is more than 1,000. So when we run this thing, this will disappear and it will give you the new value. So this is it. All right, we are now sorting the original table, and this is the table of orders where amount is greater than 1,000. All right. Hemi om zia chu order table la mi zong zong ka display la atita chuan condition ron pe nitro enge condition a pe amount sang khat ai tam ho ka atitani chuan chuan tiang hianin kan ziak tani an the tiamang tro chuan next question chu list of all hiana tile tani tro list of all customer whose name begin with C. All right, that means what thing we need to consider. All right, it must be from customer table and those people whose name start with C. Those are the two things which we have to consider. List all means select all, right? So we'll first see what are the values in customer table. Select star from customers. All right, these are the things which we have in customer. So whose name start with C's are Chandu and Champak only, right? So these two are the thing we need. So, but it says, it do not say that list only the name of the customer whose name begin with C. So if it says list the name of the customer, then we can type it here like C name, so that it will display only the name column. All right, the C name column, but it do not ask that particular column. So because of which it asks list of all customer whose name begins with C, where C name like C percentage. So this will represent the rest of the alphabets. All right, C name like this thing. So why do we use we can use equals true in some cases. There are some cases where we have to use like all such thing will be explained in the theory paper. All right, because of which you need to give importance to the theory as well as the practical. So in order to learn properly the practical, you first need to know the theory. Let's try to run it. So whether we have find these two only in a table. All right, here it says two rows returned in these seconds. So Chandu and Champak. Let's say whose name start with G. All right, then we'll run it. So it display Gita and Govind. But the question is whose name start with C? Right. So here it display all the details of Chandu and Champak whose name start with C, right? But if the question is like list the name of the customer whose name start with C, then here you have to use only C name so that it will display only this particular column. Let's see. Right, C name and C num. Like this, we can manually give so that it will display only the particular thing which you have selected. Okay, I hope you understand. And then the next question is, that means count all the orders which is on 10 March 1999. Kim Yom Jia Chu, May ni som sang ha chu som ko pa ko a order zong zong kha eng za nge tini tani. Chuanin chu chu khoi nge kan zonang order a ni tro si customer salesman table, we do not have orders in salesman as well as customers table, right? Where we can find the orders is only in orders table. So let's find out first what are the value here in orders. So these are the value which we have in orders table. All right, so it asks list of count. When we simply count it 1, 2, 3, and 4, we can find out that it's 4, right? So, but how to give a code from SQL? Select count. This particular aggregation function is going to be used. We'll learn what is aggregation function and such thing. All right. I hope you know this thing from Excel already. Count. We use count, right? What are we going to count? Which particular column we are going to count? This particular column, right? Or date. Sorry. Or date column he can atang hianin kan share don kan end toolbar kan focus toolbar kan tanitro. Entinge hay mi hi omlauta se hay mi hi lang lauta se entinge ni som March sang ka juga som ko pakua order ron siamte lo share chok te anzat ngen ni lo hretek anti chuanin an minga tang an number tang ro in she thelo tro a date kan en masak berangai a date kha kan kauna tur ni ta in pakhat oma pati pathumania omlo charchara hey a date tang vein ni kan suini tro tu tiang che chung count hianin a date chiarang from orders where o date equals to engatika ni som March 1999, right? Again, specific date ka, emini yami ho ka, at share don iso. And zangya tayong paligan dito, adik nga diglaw, run. All right, invalid statement. This used to happen due to syntax error. So we'll try with this thing, whether it works or not. All right, here it counts 4. 4 is displayed. All right. When we put, let's try with this one. Does it display everything? Still count only 4, right? It doesn't matter this thing. It is counting. It doesn't display anything. All right. It simply count. Achiar ngotani tro display turin eng bakan tiraw tro kami achiar zata ka ay mangkan display beletung. Rati mang tro. Tiam tak lau mai thai tunatan chuan expression missing tile a o date missing expression. All right, now it's correct. Okay, then the next one is, now we are done with 3 practical. All right, there are lots and lots of, now will be a bit confusing for you all. This all customer service by salesman with commission more than above 10. I mean 12%. Percentage. All right, list all customer service by salesman with commission above 12%. Chúng mình chỉ chú customer zong salesman ina commission apek 12% item commission apek te kha thero atitani ta hianin order lo tro commission hi khoi table ange salesman a nge ni a customer a commission kha salesman a tro salesman table a omani so once when we are going to make use of join join function. All right, so let's try to do it. First we'll see select star from salesman kan ti potang salesman commission hi salesman mingte tu tangani eng ho hi ni ta ni tro heng howina mo heng howina customer heng howina customer 12% item commission and pack te kha tu tenge tini ta ni chuan kan hriat du taka chu kan hriat du chuan a customer ming kan hriat anga yang tro chuanin a salesman azuar tu kha alang tel bokang chuanin a commission zat lang bokang chuwang chuanin select nge kan hriat du c name chu customer name tro comma s name chu a salesman ming tro comma commission ai kan hriat du ni ta ni from salesman ani potta c name hi salesman table om be silo tro chuwang chuanin customer tangpo in customer table kan zu khoi vel ve ang customer le salesman table kan zu zong ve ang ti hian select c name from customer s name and commission from salesman tina ni mai tro where chuanin commission som pani item kan ti tro salesman dot commission ngating khiti kan ti chan achan chu commission hi salesman table mini wani tro hemi mang hian in kan access thei c insert to in ka ringa c programming a join kan mang thina ki hi access na tan kan mang thin thil a chunga function a kan ani tro function a actual value kan access lonin dot mangin kan access thin kan ti ka kimi omzia chu salesman table a commission attributes tin ani mai where is greater than 12 kan ti tro ki hi ni alo ni ta phot ta ni ama ro chu ki hi ti hian kan ran photang ti hianin niraj khianin hedrik ki 13 hi ang ta ni tro niraj in pratik mingin anga omem mingin ang pakhat ma om lo tro 15 rajesh vekin kita lakzit hi adik idan pakhat ani phot ta ni chuan atang condition le chu hi kati photanga salesman dot s num equals to customer dot s num ta ve thung chuanin salesman table s num le customer table s num ka a intuk tur ani ati vele ta chuan atlem hawang sorry salesman kan nei lo salesman ka pathum chiaro ni ta ni tro chu ka hriat du wangin star from customer kan pani hi ka endul duwa ta hian kan enang hi thla kala photanga chu tang chuanin ka explain chu chuan salesman kan en ve le ta khianin emi table b ka chuanin ngaro nang ma nia hianin hi keman ka en zok nga pakhat ka hriat chena ol zam zok na tan apa hi hianin ati lan thei tlat lawa ta hian kan en chuanin hei c nam le s nam hi omani tro amar chu commission na omtel velo bang han ni china khanin hetilaya kan comma tia customer ti ba kan panangai ni hemi ta hianin hei commission na omlo vek ta amar chu table pakhata khanin 1001 hi as name to ps sanitani tro ps kanin 12% chi ape a hi chu atel thailo ni 12% chi chia tro ta ve thung chuanin 103 ve thung chu miti nia heipo 11 nia commission chu wan chuan tel thailo ni ta thung chuanin 1002 nia niraj sanitani niraj chania lakzit 13% ni vain hemiline hi telangai chuan ta ve thung chuanin govind hi 1002 nia esnam 13 nia heipo hi telang tro hetilaya s name milzel heile hemi number le headline salesman table ka en milzel in la thatiam lutuk lo mai thei live lo pe chon shil fi har lutuk hang kali amar chu thatiam thei lo chuni 1001 chu ps ania atel lo achan chu 11% che commission pe chuanin 1007 hi laxman ania ani pon 9% che pe tro antel lo zel ta ve thung chuan 1004 a hianin 1004 hi a percentage ka 15% pe hi tel vele ang chuanin kan enta ka chon chi thum pakhat pahnih pathum ho hi ani ta ni tro hem pahnih ano hemi pahnih le 102 le 102 le 104 chi hi hemi pathum che hi 12% item khani ta ni china lan dan ang kha chuanin adik thailo na chu history ang kalanga hemi tel lawa emi tel lo khang kan tele chinanga ta hi chuanin duplicate kha om ta tro ni tro niraj kanin midang zong zong akhana kal thata vek chuban chuanin common na omlo na tan kan hei kan mang ni chu common value omlo na tan so this is the correct answer all right and then next one is select produce e where am I always making mistake name and rating of all customer who have above chumem je chu name le rating bi kha aron thu thong ta tro of all customer table atangin list out the produce in angreng name and rating of all customer who have above average order so here we are supposed to consider two table hey le hemi table hi kan consider le ngai don ni tro chu wan chuanin tiang hian akalang select nge kan thia du name comma rating from where customer tro where order dot cnum equals to orders dot cnum yang table min le customer dot cnum foreign key kan mang trong kai te chet ro and ta hian in thiat thiam lo tu chi amount heng ho hian in ming san vek an ya nakina kan la zero dona chuan chuanin tun tan chuanin khami kan ti zo shim mani chuanin amount is greater than ta chuan a san pa in order table kha kan khoyangai ta si atro chuan chuanin na pona ti hian da ta ni ta hian san pa kan jik leng select avg average satia ta hian in amount kha kan consider don ta ni from orders table chuanin he execute masanga mo select average amount from orders kan ti chuanin will consider the order table where the amount is will find out the average amount from order, right? Tahianin value engamo among itenan order zongzong value ka average ka sangkat loin ta se sangkat item zong ka kan sia tangai sia tahian amount greater than kan de vele ta chuanin chu order number le order table a sinam le customer a sinam kha intuk le ngai hei hi apoi mo thin khop mai hetiang dot let's run. All right, invalid statement. So we'll try to find out where we have errors. All right, here it display the name and the rating who has more than whose amount is more than the average. So let's if we see try to display all of them, then we can use star, right? And let's run. Let's see rating 300 300 200. So the rating might be 200, the average rating might be 200, so or 150 somewhere. All right, if we want to know what is the average value, select avg amount hay đó thì cần from orders. So what's the value of this one? That is 2666.5. All right, amount average anita amount average atangin 26645 ka item hozong ka hay kan display tan mo a rating le enge kan tika a c name che display ro dita chuan chuan ta hianin c name comma rating kan table pahni tang kan table pahni te pathum te po alanga yang kina kan combine chuan chuan next chuan double. I'll not type anymore. Double the commission of salesmen of London ati double the commission of all salesmen of London. So that means we have to update the column commission column. We have to increase it by double. All right, let's say select star from salesman. What's the value of the commission? So we have 12 13. All right, all these things will be common. Not all these things. It says double the commission of all salesmen of London. So this will become 24, this will become 22. All right, so how to do it? Update salesman set this one equals to how much? Sorry, into where city equals to right. We are going to update the salesman commission into two where city equals to London. London thì đâu giống he allowing update on. Oh, let's run. All right, we've got some error. Two rows updated. So let's see if there is any change. Right, 24, 22. Okay. Then next one is calculate the total orders for each day. Calculate the total order for each day. Select sum, sum, amount, comma, date, from orders, group by date. This means it says we have to find out the sum of the total number of orders for each day need in a amount belkom ka kanson to. Oh, run. Missing keywords. All right, whenever I made something there, it creates error. So sum of all the amount on date 10 May 1999 is this much, 10 June 99 is this much, April is this much, and this much. So we are summing up. I think you understand what's the meaning of this thing. Those are aggregation function which we used before. Then we are going to create view. Done. Oh, clear done. Create a view called big orders. The CMLA which stores all orders larger than 400. All right. We are not going to change any value in the original table, order table, but we are going to take out only those order which is whose amount is more than 4,000, and we are going to name the view table as big order. All right. So how to do it? Create view. We are going to create view. It says create view big orders where as select star from where orders, right, where amount is greater than 4,000. All right, amount suddenly item ho ka la chuak la join order train la chuak la chu big order hi a view minga siam ro tita chon a ming hi lo puang. Oh, tuna kan siam tur hian. All right, now we have created. So let's see. Select. Sorry. This is it. These are the big orders values. All right. Then next one is create a view that shows all customers who have the highest rating. Create a view who has highest rating from the customer. So to do that, create view. We can name the table name as anything, the view table name. Hi, let's say, okay, S select here it asks, we can put star. All right, from from customer where rating equals true, then we are going to need another thing to find out ta hianin rating sang ber zong so ro ti ta kan table han rating sang ber kan nei hal top lo to ro chu wang chonin rating sang ber zong tur khanin a han pa kan zia ngai select highest ani chon max ani ang tro rating big a maximum pa kan zong from pengen rating to customer table atro and view created. So what is our view name? Hi. So select from. So let's see. Highest to emit pan hi ni ta ni tro highest rating ni sang pan hi ka chu 1002 le 1007 hi an ni ta ni. Chuanin last kan kalang remove what ta ni ta chuan pai bo kha ngai don ta ni remove all orders of customer Chandu from the order table. Though you may not be able to listen the question carefully, so because of which I want you to see the soft copy, the question from the soft copy along with the video. All right. So here it asks remove all orders. Tidak tahu kau ingat kan? Hey juga typang remove all orders atau nanti ngangin of customer Chandu from the order table. Hianin table pantikan mamolaw tro. Table pantikan mamolaw asan chu Chandu ti hi. I'm not sure whether we are in need of two table or not. We'll see about it. Okay. Remove all orders of customer since we do not have CNAME here, so we'll be in need of two tables. This particular code suite is given is not working out fine, so because of which I'll try by myself on the spot. Delete from order comma customer, let's say. Where orders dot cnum equals to orders where cname equals to cname tidon cname omna chu customer table atro where customer dot cname equals to Chandu niang tro. Ini dikaringa mani hian chui ve ngai ni mo hei kein po atira tong an thiam bik lo ma se kan chui ve khi dik dong don lo bo ri chung do ma se akal phung ni khi orders dot no I mean not orders anymore, it must be customer cname, or it can be cname also. No, it must be cname. Delete from orders like customer tangin where Chandu ti ming omna kha pai ro atita amar chu Chandu ti kha order a omlo ni tro order ti khan chonin a order number si omta kami mang khanin Chandu khan eng order number nghe nei ti turin customer table kha kan ba access vele ngai chu dik nge dik lo ran sinang invalid statement atia hi pai ngai ta chu bang chen I chau la sinang it do not ends properly tile customer dot cname n yang ta po hian sorry command not ended properly why all right delete from orders comma customer by that sinang we have to try many things customer dot cnum this must be there all right comma customer where cname equals Chandu and orders.cnum equals cnum hey dictate soni SQL command not ended properly ni chuanin hey pai chinang does it work I do not know gonna make hang and try that setting and delete from orders where cnum goes through then ta hian delete parang delete from customers where cname equals to Chandu adik thầy đâu hi ông về hết hay cả chú bạn chuẩn nhé cả bộ cái mà in cần tỷ về là xin missing expression customers in the one customer thì nó tiếng cái đó missing expression kiếm đâu ông mà thiếu delete where ai giờ hiện đang tidak apa nhỉ select cnum from customer where cname equals to Chandu missing right parenthesis zero rows deleted in will ông level thì tiền là ông put there can compare ang customer select star from orders hianin Chandu number kha omem Chandu value kha nge customer Chandu chu 1001 ani ta customer hian order hian om nei tun 1001 ka omem es nam hi invalid to omani hi I mean CNUM 2005 draw. All right, 2005. 2005, is there any CNUM 2005? That's the reason why we do not delete anything, because the value for the particular customer name is not there, so because of which nothing is deleted. All right, so the correct one is this one, but it is quite confusing. Delete from order where CNUM. Select. All right, let's say here Pratik, right? That's Pratik. Is this correct name? I don't know. One row deleted. All right, that means, all right, now I understand. We are going to delete from order. All right, then we first select CNUM from customer where CNAME Pratik the customer number ka tihian kan sang chuak tahian CNUM tahian in value antina 2005 lon ta se 2005 ani tro delete from order where CNUM equals to atia a value ka aron so ta che 2005 maybe mga kan zon chuak ka tahian in input akan bada ta at sun lo delete chin is tro tihan kan zau. Oh, we are done with that for today. So some of the thing may be confusing. So I simply delete Pratik from the order table. So the order table from the order table of my my order table will be different now from yours. So because of which I may need to create another one once again. So we do not find any more Pratik values, I guess. Let's see, customer. Yes, equal paper here. Oh, customer han pratik om tolo tro. So ala oma maseh mi pratik 20070 hi table akan order table akan la omem kan enang 2007. Om tolo ni tro hai kan pai to pakat ni sila kana oma bukan pai chia. Kawakan tahinan la pakua la om tas om turka pakua la tani. Oh, all right. I hope you understand something at least from the explanation. If you do not understand, I do not know. It's quite difficult to explain to online the practical especially. So it's about practice. But once you learn the theory, then you of course know where to use select and where to use count, where to use those aggregations such and such thing. All right, where to use group by, those phrases between, in between the there. Kan la zero na chung hom man na chin thadon tho tho chu wang chuanin to na chuanin lo nei ve mo pula in practical tour ni wang you need to have the soft copy with you, right? You cannot simply use the old one, so you have to work it out by yourself. Even your seniors are doing the work, so you guys are supposed to do your works as well. All right, that's all for today. Thank you.